What up, fam? Want to talk to you about making money online, how you can make it efficient, how you can make it work this year, this week, this month. Not a short-term mindset thing, but how to make money online, the tips and the tricks that the gurus aren't teaching you, and a lot of those skepticisms that you may have about making money online, making money with Instagram that I talk about a lot, making money with social media. I just want to break the ice right here because I've been doing it for 3 years now. I've turned multiple seven figures. We'll do $4 or $5 million finishing this year, and I just want to teach you guys some of those strategies that if I had known these 3 years ago, I would have been able to scale a lot quicker. And knowing some of the knowledge I'm going to be teaching you in this video today is going to help you to just get to the end goal a little bit faster. It's probably going to open up your mindset to some of the stuff that you might not necessarily know about right now. So my name is Ben Oberg. Looking forward to teaching you on this video about how to make money online, how to make money with social media, how to make money with Instagram, all the above. So let's jump straight into it. What up, guys? So once again, my name is Ben Oberg. It sounds like bend over. My lav mic broke yesterday. That was awesome. So chilling at the coffee shop. There will be people going through the drive-thru, which is right here. And during that time frame, while other people progress to order their lattes and their macchiatos and all that good stuff, we will talk about how to make money online. So really, I just want to break down that the information kind of thing is a trend. All right, a lot of people are realizing, look, you can learn online. You don't have to go to college. You don't have to go into the debt. So for those of you that are like, look, I'd like to make money online, I want to be able to monetize, you can do the affiliate marketing route. You can do the MLMs. You can do stuff like that. But at the end of the day, what has always paid me the most is being able to help people get results, share my knowledge, and be able to get paid to monetize my knowledge. So anything that you want to do, no matter what your area of expertise is, okay? If you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, if you're an engineer, if you want to teach welding and how to do TIG welds or MIG welds online, you can do that, okay? If you're an architect, you can teach people how to become a better architect, like online. You can do all that stuff. So I just highly recommend to you guys that just realize you can literally do whatever the fuck it is that you want and turn it into an income online, all right? So you take whatever your knowledge is, you put it together, okay? And you look at, ask yourself this question: what are people's problems in my niche? Okay, what are people's problems in my niche? Okay, for example, I have clients that are becoming doctors, and a lot of people have problems with sleep. Well, they're specializing in how to help people get better sleep. You know, we need to be able to sleep, we need to be able to breathe air, we need to be able to drink water, all right? And we need a place to sleep at night, all right? Well, they said, look, there's a lot of people that suffer from sleep problems. So they're going to make money online by teaching people how to get better sleep in scientifically proven ways, like increasing their melatonin, which is a sleep hormone. So they put together a little mini free training. They use it as what we call a lead magnet. They send traffic. They'll run ads. They'll send traffic into this lead magnet. It's a free offer. If you'd like to learn how to get better sleep, here's how. Click here to get the free guide. All right. And people go, oh yeah, I'd love to get better sleep because my sleep sucks. And they simply put that offer in front of people that have expressed an interest in getting better sleep, that have searched things online like how to get better sleep, sleep apnea, I can't sleep at night, tips for getting better sleep. Okay, I slept 10 hours, but I feel like I slept 4. And so, you know, a lot of you guys, like, maybe you're thinking, no, I can't spend money on ads. I can't because what if it doesn't work? The reality is, if you put a decent offer in front of the right audience, it will always convert. And so maybe you're asking me, okay, how can they be making money online? How can I make money online if I have a free offer? You got to have an entry point for people. So you offer something free. You position it to have a high level of value. Here's your free guide on how to get better sleep. People go, I'd like to get better sleep. If you put that in front of people that want to get better sleep, all right, well, guess what? They're going to opt in. And when they opt in, they're going to end up seeing this little, free guide and how they can get it, all right? What I typically teach my students to be able to do is position a free offer, drive traffic to it. When they opt in, they put their name and their email, and you now have the lead, right? This is basic Make Money Online 101, okay? Now they opt in, and it comes to what we call an OTO, a one-time offer. What I actually like to do is I'm gonna pay for traffic. I'm gonna pay for ads because it's the fastest way I can scale. If you wanna be able to make money online fast, it's the fastest way to scale. Pay for traffic, send the traffic to a free offer, right? This free offer is how to do XYZ, opt in here, right? They put their name, they put their email in, okay? Then they go to another page. This page is an OTO, a one-time offer, right? And this one-time offer is a video. It's a 2-3 minute video that instructs them on like, hey, congratulations, your free guide to whatever is on its way to you. It'll be in your email in just a few minutes. Now, really quick right now, we have important matters pertaining to your success that we need to discuss so you can enhance your ability to get better sleep starting tonight. And in this video, you start introducing another opportunity that you have that they can take that will help enhance their results to be able to get better sleep in this case, all right? And you are going to offer it to them right now today for just $27. It's normally $97. They're not going to be able to get it anywhere else for this price. And as a matter of fact, you believe in it so heavily that you offer a 14-day money-back refund guarantee. If they do not get better sleep and their head doesn't even hit the pillow before they've even fallen asleep, or they haven't even hit the pillow yet and they're already asleep, if it doesn't work that well, you believe in it so heavily that they're going to get such heavy sleep that they have 14 days to claim a refund, no questions asked. So you tell them, hey, your offer is on its way, your free whatever XYZ is on its way to you. It'll arrive in your email in a few minutes, all right? In the meantime, we have something really important pertaining to your success so you can start having more successful sleep starting right now. How does that sound? Awesome. I know it sounds awesome. So let me talk about how you can start taking these actions to be able to get better sleep. We want to offer you our Get Better Sleep course right now today. Normally we sell it for $97. We're going to extend you a 70% discount, give it to you for just $27, $25 right now today only. You'll never see it anywhere else. Once this video ends, this will be gone forever. Hold your peace, all right? We've had such awesome success stories and testimonials from this, and we believe so heavily in it that we know you are going to fall asleep before your head hits the pillow. Now, we also back this up with a 14-day refund guarantee. If for any reason at all you do not start getting better sleep as soon as tonight, you can send us an email and say, hey, screw you, I don't like this, give me my money back, and we will refund you 100%, no questions asked. Click the button below, look forward to seeing you inside. You tell them what it is that you have to offer them that will help enhance whatever their problem is that you're trying to solve. You tell them how they can get it, you tell them it's a discount here, they can only get it here, you create urgency, and you back it up with a bold claim for a refund guarantee, all right? So they're either gonna buy or they're not. The whole psychology behind this is you use a free offer to get people into your brand to be able to potentially make money online from them, all right? And out of 100 people that come in, let's just say 4 are gonna buy your, say it's a $27 offer, $27, $37. I call this a break-even funnel. I'm gonna pay $100 to get leads in. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of leads. Out of those, a few are gonna buy. And because a few buy a $27 offer, say it's 4 people, that's $108, I've now accumulated all of those leads for free. What I do with them from there, upselling them to one-on-one coaching, mentorship, a higher ticket product, a webinar funnel where I'm selling a $500, a $1,000, a $2,000 product, a $5,000 business deal, a $25,000 work with us. We work with you for 6 months, build your business. These are the things that I do. And this is a system that I use to be able to make more money online. And I run these ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. So I can make money from Instagram, so I can make money from YouTube, so I can make money from Facebook. And then I upsell them to my higher ticket stuff. And that's how I make money online. It works extremely well. Anybody can do this, and it doesn't matter where you're at in the world, who you are, or what your information is in, okay? We have doctors doing this. We have people training to be doctors. We have architects, we have lawyers, we have engineers. We have so many different groups of people doing this. It doesn't matter who you are. I didn't go to college. I don't have a degree, and I'm doing this, all right? And I just took my information of learning how to monetize Instagram. I figured out how to make money on Instagram. I got results. And then I realized people wanted to learn this. I wrapped it into my own course. I have an entry point. I have opportunities where people can learn from me for free. And then a certain population sees so much value and sees all the results and the testimonials that I continue to accumulate, it only strengthens my offer and causes more conversions. So then when I can go, oh my gosh, every $1,000 I spend, I'm making $3,000, and 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the line, my customers have now gotten a continuity product, they're now subscribing longer, they're now buying this upsell, I make even more money. So those are all the ways that I'm gonna recommend that you start being able to do this, okay? There's really not any secrets to it. That's how you make money online. It's as simple as that, okay? Without having to do drop shipping, without having to do some affiliate system, without having to rely on somebody's bullshit. This is how to make money online, all right? Your information, you can be paid for. And the more you increase your knowledge, the more you can go back in and upgrade your products and increase value, adjust prices, attract better customers that are willing to pay more, and increase your net worth, increase your income, and increase your ability to be able to spend money on advertising so you can go get more deals. My name is Ben Oberg. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell if you haven't already, okay? I'm always dropping content every single day. We go live Ozone at 7 p.m. EST on Mondays. Every single Monday, no matter where I'm at, I answer your questions live. We do a live YouTube and a live Facebook show, okay? You're gonna get daily posts from me here on YouTube every single day, regardless of the day, the time. I always am dropping content for you entrepreneurs, for those of you trying to become entrepreneurs, and for those of you that already have 6, 7, 8-figure businesses, want to take them to the next level, those of you that want to preserve your wealth, preserve your money more, be able to keep more, be able to invest more, be able to have your money go to work for you. And if you're just a complete beginner, this channel is for you. So make sure to subscribe, follow me at Ben Oberg on Instagram, and I've included some really good resources in the description for you. So smash that like button, check the description, make sure to check that out. I'll see you guys in the next video.